his cute stomach serves.
Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Does make Mary for hell of a boss.
Nice. You mean Aiken animation?
Actually, Bill Newton born in Klein Canyon, not count need eyes.
Electric car. This car is usually acquired later in the game due to being very hated.
Poor thing, he wants to eat.
I'm hungry. Stomach growls. Hungry. The third one man or stomach have teeth or what?
I am done with those Fireboy and Water Girl comments.